The Sparrow project involves a blade repair robot that is revolutionary in the way that it is also applicable offshore.
The current state of the project is a very important state. We are just before the next milestone where we do a first full-scale prototype test on the turbine with a drone and a repair robot.
Yes, we are ready.
Take off.
Sparrow works in a way that we have a repair robot and a heavy lift drone, and they are both connected with a rope and a hook system, and the drone lifts up from the ground, pulls up the robot and puts it on the blade. As soon as the robot is put on the blade, the legs are clamping and the hook is released, and the drone is going back to the ground while the robot starts operating and repairing on the blade. It will do this by applying a repair tape on the blade along the leading edge. It also means that the turbine is stopped with one blade in a horizontal position with leading edge pointing upward. After the repair process is done, the drone will again start hovering up to the blade, inserting the rope into the robot. The hooks will connect.
Okay, attach.
And the drone will pick up the robot again.
The test on the real turbine went absolutely well. We will take our lessons learned and improve and redesign the robot for continuing with another test. We also design and test other tools in the next stage of the process. For example, a grinder tool where we grind off part of the surface before we apply the repair tape.